Got a different angle now.
What kind of birds are these?
Sparrows. Pretty positive. Pretty sure. I've seen him. He scared me when I tried to water it. He'll leave.
Just got my good light. I'll back up. Watch you film.
Oh my god, he hatched. Oh, look at his face! Oh, he's hungry!
Ridiculous.
He's so hungry!
God, that's what I'm saying. What should we do? Should
No,
we
no. If we try, then his mom will abandon him. God, that was so goddamn cute. God, that was so goddamn cute. Oh no! 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 No!
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh my god, they all fell out. Holy shit, we just killed them. The nest is empty. Oh my god, I need to delete this video. Shit. God damn it. We fucked with nature. Damn, hopefully they're in here somewhere. They're so tiny. They could be in here somewhere. They're not in the nest though. Fuck. I feel like a huge asshole. Oh my god. We have to delete all that footage.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. What just happened?
Well, the plant fell over. And shit. The nest is empty now. Shit. They could be anywhere in here. Hopefully they're still in here somewhere. Maybe I should just put it back up there. Mama can find it. Because if I touch them... They're not on the ground, right? They're not on the ground, right?
Oh, here's a dead egg. Bleeding. Oh, an egg that was just about to hatch. Bleeding on the ground.
Okay, dead egg.
Oh my god. Here's another one.
That's the other one. There was one chick.
Oh, it might still be alive.
There was one chick.
This one is not bleeding like this one. Oh my god.
No, this is done.
This is horrible.
That one's done.
Oh my god.
It was already done.
Oh my god.
Where's the chick?
This is terrible.
I know, my god, we're awful people.
Oh my god.
I just wanted to show you the nest. I didn't know that they were.
Wait, we're careful. Let's try to save that chick and raise it as our baby. Can we please at least try to save that chick? Can we please at least try to save that chick?
If we can see it, try to put it back. But if we touch it, the mom won't talk to it again. I think our only hope is that it's in here somewhere, in the rest of the plant.
Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that.
Yeah, I know.
Look at those dead babies. That's on us.
Yeah, hatch it. You know what? It happens. It happens. We didn't do it on purpose.
You knew there was a fucking nest in there.
I know, I just wanted to show you the eggs. I didn't know that there was going to be a fucking baby sitting on there already. Why didn't the sparrow mama come kick our ass when we touched it? I would have ran back inside.
Son of a bitch.
Ran back inside.
Oh my god, I see blood on the fucking...
I just want to see... He wasn't even big enough to make any sounds. He opened his mouth a couple times, but he didn't even go cheep cheep or nothing. No way I'm going to find him in here if he's in here.
I can show you a video of it.
Oh, I know, I have some too. Shit, I hope I turned it off.